Guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be doing a cranberry eyeshadow makeup look. So without any further ado, let's start. First, I'm gonna apply an eyeshadow primer and I'll be using the Essence I Heart Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Base. You know guys, eyeshadow primer is a must if you want your eyeshadow to last longer without creasing. Okay, after the primer, I'm gonna go straight on applying the eyeshadow without setting my lids with powder. I'm using the Morphe 35M eyeshadow palette for this look and I'll be using the pretty burgundy color in the palette. The shade name is Sweet Beats. I'm just patting the color onto my lid. And since I have a hooded eyes, as you can see, I'm applying the eyeshadow higher than my original crease, like so. And now I'm just gonna use a blending brush to soften the edges and I'll just blend, and more blending until I have a soft and smoky edge. Now it's nice and smoky. I'll do the second color. I'll be using this another burgundish color in the palette. The shade name is Candy Crush. I'll use this to deepen the color into my crease area. Okay, now I'll use a black eyeshadow in the palette for my outer V. I'm applying it to my outer V and a little bit to my crease and blend it at the same time. Oh guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And now cut crease, I'm just gonna use the eyeshadow primer that I used earlier. Again, I picked the burgundy color in the palette and used it to blend the edge of the cut crease. And I also added a little bit of black eyeshadow. After the cut crease, it's time to apply the shimmer eyeshadow. I'll use the shimmery burgundy color in the palette. The shade name is Color Persona. I'll apply this only to my lid area, not going high up the crease area, like so. Guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. For the lower lash line, I'll use the black eyeshadow first and blend it with the burgundy eyeshadow. Don't forget to highlight your inner corner and I'll just do my eyeliner and pop my falsies off gum. Okay guys, this is the final look. I really hope you like it, and if you do, please don't forget to click the thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more of my videos. Thank you for watching. See you on my next one. Bye!